What's up, y'all? Back with another quick video. This is a continuation on our sway market tutorial training video. So, there's few things that I believe I've missed on the previous training, so I'm gonna just cover it, quick little video. So first thing, and it was this question was asked from one of our subscribers on the under previous sway market tutorial video, and she basically asked, how do I close out trades and etc. Right? So I'm gonna use an example. Let's use AUUSD, right? This is a all right, your demo account. All right, let me search your demo. All right, let me just use real quick. 1 second, y'all. I just so slow. Anyways, let's use AUSD. My son is next to me, or all type of acrobatic stuff. But anyways, let's get to it. So let's see AUSD. Let's use a lot size like 0.02, right? Right. So we sell with one click. You could just click sell, and you're in the market. Okay. Now to simply close off a trade, and once you have the one click on, you basically just click the X right here in your position column down here. Okay. Once you click that, voila, it's out. Okay. I'm gonna sell again. One click. Now, if I decide to take off one click, right? Say you're looking to take partials on this trade, right? If you would like to take partial, you click, you take off the one click. And my trick, before moving forward, my trick to understand if the one click trading is on or not is if that white button is closer, it's to the right, it's close to one click, then it's on. If it's away from it, it's off. Okay. I wish they had more something that's more highlighted where, and go dull if it's off. That's a little more clear, but that's my way to know. So it'll be in this position, it's on, it's closer to one click, it's to the right. This position is away from one click, it's off, right? That's my little trick. So now to take partials, you want to make sure it's off. You click the X, right? And right here, you're able to adjust your lot size. So maybe take off a micro lot, 0.01, and I'll close, and I was able to take partials. Okay. Um, and once again, even if I want to close all, because one click is off, right? It gives me this option before I close off, by accident or something like that, and then close position. Okay. So that is how easy it is, guys, to close positions, and take partials on sway market. It's very easy. Um, I love even just having this the my stake the trade currency pairs in gold or US 30 that I trade on this section. And I have my lot size preset. I can always adjust, right? So for GBP USD, if I want to make it 0.5, right? I can adjust, simple as that. And whenever I'm looking for a trade, I don't have to type it here and go to the chart or whatever. I can just come to this column, click sell. Once again, one click trading is off, right? I click sell, or if I want to switch it to buy, I could switch to buy, protection order, put my stop loss or my take profit in, etc. And I'm in the market. It's very simple. So if I click one trading on, for example, I have it on, I'll click sell. Boom, I'm in the market. Easy, easy in the market. Now I want to take partials for whatever reason. There I go. I could just take partials and take off 0.3, right? 0.3, close partials. Right now I have now I have my lot size up here 0.2 left in this trade, right? And if I want to close off all, I can just click it once again, close it off. And that is how easy and simple it is, guys. Again, to take partials on sway market. If you guys haven't signed up for sway market, I recommend you do so now. I recommend you you use this platform because sway market is regulated, I believe, in Australia. They're not regulated. Their regulation is not in the UK or the US. So, but they've been a broker that been around for a while. So they do offer 1 to 500 leverage, which is, I know some of us love. Personally, I think 1 to 200, 1 to 100 is perfectly fine. But some of you guys like a little more extra leverage. breathing room and such. So Sway Market offered that for you. I love everything about it so far. It runs smoothly. You can download this is on the web, but you can download it to your computer as a whole. So yeah, check it out. Create a demo account, play with it. And then when you're ready as well, just create your live ECN or free commission account, whatever you like, and get started this way. All right, guys, that's it for today. Have a blessed, wonderful day. Peace.